What's going on, everyone? Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode on my YouTube channel here. If you're watching this video, odds are you are a videographer. You're struggling to land clients that actually have a marketing budget, clients that actually understand the value of video. You might be sending cold emails, cold calling them, sending Instagram DMs. If that's the case, this video is for you. I want to cover a little bit more about LinkedIn Sales Navigator, specifically in this video, show you how you can connect with marketing leaders in your area, leverage the power of LinkedIn, and ultimately land bigger ticket clients, raise and increase your average ticket size, and build a business that's actually sustainable within this industry of videography. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're in LinkedIn Sales Navigator here, and just for some context, this is a paid tool. They do offer some free trials if you've never used it before. I highly recommend it, and as a tip, if you do end up paying for it and cancel it within your first month, they almost always give you a deal or some sort of discount to keep you as a customer. But here's why LinkedIn, I think, is one of the most underrated tools for videographers. And again, think about what is your competitive advantage as a videographer. If you live in Los Angeles compared to, let's say, a very rural area in New Mexico or Wisconsin, right? What are those businesses that you have a geographical advantage compared to myself who lives in Los Angeles? So once you understand exactly who you're targeting, you can use this tool more effectively. But I'm going to use an example of just a marketing director, a marketing manager. So in this world of videography, we primarily report to marketing managers, marketing directors, right? Video is typically a marketing's job, a marketing duty, right? And so if we think about who is our ideal prospect, if we're going after corporate companies, it's most likely going to be a CMO, a marketing manager, a director of marketing, sometimes even a head of video production, a head of creative marketing, right? Those are the titles that we want to go after as videographers, as video agency entrepreneurs and founders. And so I want to show you very quickly how you can use LinkedIn to refine your search a little bit more. As you can see, I just typed in marketing manager on LinkedIn, but on the left here, we can actually filter out by geography, industry, years of experience, current job title. So I'm going to filter out first marketing manager. And again, LinkedIn, right? It's a resume job board. So when you enter in your profile on LinkedIn, you're actually putting in your job title. So that's why I'm very confident that these job titles are accurate, because people are actively using LinkedIn. They actively put their jobs, their titles to show off for themselves, right? But it gives LinkedIn a lot of that data that you can tap into in Sales Navigator. So let's go back into it here. I'm also going to do director of marketing. And again, these are just titles that I know are typically responsible for the video production, the content creation, the content marketing. It's not necessarily the HR team. It's not necessarily the sales team. It's going to be the marketing team. And these are going to be the decision makers, as an example. And again, let's say you live in South Dakota. So I'm literally going to type in South Dakota, United States, and LinkedIn is now going to do its best job to try to find marketing managers that also live in South Dakota. And again, these are active job titles. So they are currently a marketing manager in South Dakota. You can also refine this search down a little bit based off of company headcount, right? So let's say you want to work more so with startups. They're probably going to be between the 1 through 10 and the 11 through 50 category. So let's click 11 through 50, right? These are the types of companies that are going to need the most help. They're typically leaner teams. They don't have a huge creative or video department. They have money. Essentially, they're not like a one-man band or a small business. And again, these are marketing leaders. These are directors of marketing. So we see here, marketing manager, marketing manager, marketing manager, boom. And here I have a very refined search of some people I can connect with. So now I can just simply click on these little dots here, connect, send invitation. I would avoid messaging or pitching anything, just connect with them. And again, if you're a videographer and you're getting, you want to get really refined search and targeting, again, look up your area, punch in your geographical area, try to find the marketing managers in your area, and use this as a tool to connect with people on LinkedIn. Now, once you're connected with them, I will post a more in-depth video on what to do now that you've connected with some marketing managers in your area. But this right here, this is a prospecting process. This is something that every videographer, every video entrepreneur should be spending at least an hour a day doing, connecting with new marketing leaders, using this tool. And again, you're adding to your network, you're getting in front of the exact decision makers. And in another video, I will show you how to approach a video DM, how to send an initial message after you've connected with them. So hopefully you found this quick little tutorial on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And again, really hone in on who it is you want to reach out to, who you've had success with in the past, and then use LinkedIn Sales Navigator as a tool to refine that search further. So thanks again for watching this video.